Birds of a Feather. Alam niyo ba, sobrang ako, like, super obsessed ako sa song na to. Kahit naliligo ako, like, naka-repeat lang talaga siya. Stand Me For Never Enough, and Die With A Smile pala siya. On repeat talaga as in. Makakanta nga, I love you till the death. I want you to stay. Boss, thank you. Till I'm the grave. Till I rot away. Dead and buried. Till I'm the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too. Cause it was always you. Alright. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. I think I checked the ties, sis, my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather, might that be forever? But if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw. Think of us, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. No, say you don't see it. Your mind's for you. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Thank you. Till the day that I die. Thank you. What's my girl? Thank you, boss. Sinatry mo yung mga gifts. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ay! Boss, bakit? Thank you po. Hello, grabe. Kakabalik ko pa lang po pero support pa din kayo sa akin.